Hi, today let's make Bhindi Aloo, that is okra with potatoes. Let's start. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm using olive oil. Add whole spices, cumin seeds, bay leaf, and a pinch of hing. Let the spices get fragrant. And then add a cup of onions, chopped onions. I'm using white onions. You can use red or any onion of your choice. I will saute these onions on medium heat. I just want them to become translucent. This should take about 3 minutes. Now I'm going to add my okra, chopped okra. I've cut okra into small pieces about 3/4 inch to an inch, not more than that. Stir gently. We want to make sure that the seeds stay inside the skin. It's the seeds of okra that make it slimy. And we don't want slimy okra, so we'll just keep stirring gently. Saute for a couple of minutes, and then we will add our potatoes. These are 2 medium potatoes here, a pound of okra and 2 medium potatoes, both cut into same size. Ground spices, turmeric powder, chili powder or paprika, cumin powder, and salt to taste. Stir and mix. At this point, I'm cooking it on high, and now I will add some water. Then I turn down the heat and cook it covered for 10 to 15 minutes. Check it after 10 minutes. If potatoes and bhindi is not tender, give it another 5 minutes. Here I have been cooking this for 15 minutes. A teaspoon of garam masala. Again, stir gently. You can see that the seeds are mostly inside the skin, which is good. That's how we want it. And now let us dish it out. This really doesn't need any garnish, but I am still going to add a little bit of chopped coriander. And that's it. It's done. It's ready. Try it. I'm quite sure you will like it if you like okra. Till next time. Bye.